Alright guys, so look, 8:22 in the morning, you feel me? Vlog starting off in the car. Gotta go, we gotta go. We on the move today, you feel me? Just pulled up to the spot where young Jew is at, you feel me? About to see where she at right now. Let me go see where she at for real. Oh, she right here. Chilling. Hey, how you doing? Good today?
Where's your mustache?
My mustache? You don't see my mustache? Look.
A little bit.
You see it a little bit? Wow, you want my mustache out every day? How you been? You been good?
I'm good.
You all right?
You like her hair? That's nice.
Come.
You did it?
Yeah.
I don't know if I told y'all, Julie is a patient that my mom been taking care of for years. And Lace got an opportunity. Well, my mom put her onto the job, basically, you feel me? So she take care of the same patient, but the fact that my mom been working her for years, I had developed a relationship with her. She's sort of like a grandma, you feel me? So every time they come over, obviously, I could just pull up and shit because I've been here before, so it's like, niggas know me. So I come visit her. Sometimes I chill, sometimes I dip. Today's those days where I'm chilling and visiting, you feel me? I'm just fooling with young Julie. We always come here and talk to her and shit like that. She a cool little vibe or whatever. My son Julia taking a nap right now. Feel me? It's like 11. We're not leaving till next hour or some change, but I gotta go to the store real quick, so I'm about to head outside.
Sometimes when I'm laughing, I start to think about my life and instead of me nothing was funny.
Oh, that's a fact, bro. You know that shit happened to me one time too. I be laughing out here, giggling, then I start thinking about someone I'm laughing like, get mad serious, like, damn. That shit ain't that funny, man. Or you ever been weak? Like, yo, say your friends and everybody cutting each other ass, right? You feel me? And you not even saying nothing. Then them niggas.
Somebody come out of nowhere.
You laughing with everybody, and it's like 10 niggas, and then that nigga that got his ass cut would look at you like,
the fuck you laughing at?
fuck you laughing at? I remember one time, niggas out here, I was in, look guys, story time. In high school, right, in the cafeteria, they cutting this popular girl ass at the time. I was like 10th grade, cutting her ass, and I don't know what niggas said. I think niggas was coming at her fucking, I don't know what it was, bro. I don't remember what it was, bro, but all I remember is Shorty was about to cry. And there's like 8 niggas cutting her ass, right? Mind you, all the niggas that's cutting her ass, some broke bummy niggas. Like she could have came up with some jokes, right? I'm there, feel me, in the corner. Nigga said one joke. All I did was, She said, I know you ain't talking to your big ass teeth, your big ass head. And mind you, in 10th grade, bro, I was like 5 feet. Like right now, I'm like 5'11". But in high school, I was like 5 feet in 10th grade. So imagine, I dead ass had a big head. My teeth still big now, but I know them shit was probably OD big. I was looking at her like, feel me? It's alright. I know it's a joke to this school. You know I said something probably 10 times hurtful after that. Just don't remember what I said. Yeah. None of y'all niggas wanna walk down here at night. This shit just look like a demon at the edge of that shit. We ain't like, what's up, nigga? What the fuck is you doing? Come down these steps.
I was walking up the steps feeling like somebody gonna...
Like at nighttime? Mind you, let me tell y'all, these 2 apartments right here, there's nobody that living in them, so them shit is like vacant, you feel me? So like imagine, every time I walk past here, I be thinking somebody gonna come out and pull me in.
Should be like this.
And mind you, the doors are open.
Like, yeah. Like that.
You feel me? Be cracking shit creepy.
Felt the presence.
Out here feeling the demons. Y'all wanna see some real racist shit though? This shit crazy. Can't believe this about this building. This building is old as fuck. Look what they got on the floor.
I almost have to paint over it.
You see what that is? You see what that is? Y'all see what those are? Mm-hmm. Exactly. Oh, this is an old time building. Old time. You don't know what kind of people was living in here, what type of racist shit was going on. You feel me? That goes to show how fucked up the world is and how close shit was, you feel me? How close, how fucked up shit was not too long ago. Oh, waste of time and shit, we on Among Us. You feel me? Shit looking like you a crewmate?
I'm yellow, yeah.
We about to eyeball. My hands is ash. I need some lotion for my hands, son. Oh, black is good. You doing good?
Yeah, no, you told me skin, he could have killed me.
I know what you did. I know. Oh, I got an green. They got me dark blue. I don't like that color. Fun with Julia's coming to an end. Let me say bye to her. I'm leaving.
Where you going?
I'm going home.
You too.
Not yet.
See you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Y'all, back in the car, man. I got some time to talk to y'all. Hold on, let me start this shit real quick. Got some time to talk to y'all. Tell y'all some unfortunate events that happened to me in the past couple days, you feel me? Whoa, I don't know if I talked about this already, I don't know. But I'm gonna tell you right now. Fucking lost my AirPods probably like a couple days ago. Lost them bitches, you feel me? And I was looking at it on the location, cause on Find My iPhone app or whatever, I was seeing the location of the AirPods to see if I could try to retrace my steps. And the last place it was over Young Jul's house. You feel me? It was by Julia's house. So I went inside, I checked all over the place. It wasn't there. My mom also checked when she was working too. She didn't see it. And it was saying that it was like across the street. So I go to, now across the street is a building, you feel me? So it's like, obviously I can't go on everybody's door. Like, yo, y'all seen AirPods, you seen this, you seen that? So, whatchamacallit, I just knocked on the first person that's on the lobby, because their building's like a little private, so it's like you need like, you can't just get into that building, you feel me? So I knocked on the window that's on the first floor, asked them, people said they never seen nothing about, they never heard, jumbling up words. They said that they did not see the headphones or whatever the case may be. Somebody probably took it, resetted it, their AirPods, bro. That's a come up. So I lost my AirPods. I stepped in fucking shit today. But it's raining, so I was able to find a puddle and stomp that shit off my shoes. But you feel me? I guess everything happens for a reason, right? It was a shitty day, or a shitty week, I should say. It was fun. I had fun this weekend. Nonetheless, I did have fun this weekend. So like I said, it happens, bro. It's life. Go through the motions. Right now, I'm waiting for Lisa to come out so we could go to the supermarket, get something to cook for tonight. For me, want to eat something. And, yeah, I think we got to make like 2 more stops, and that's that. I got some, not chores, but I be calling it chores. For myself, you feel me? I got to do my laundry, and I want to straighten up in my room a little bit when I get home. And plus cook, so I'm going to try to fit all that stuff in so I could just get that out the way. So, yeah, it's really just a calm day today. Nothing really to it. Feel me? Hopefully everybody doing Gucci. Hopefully everybody's healthy. Hopefully everybody's just straight. You feel me? I know bad days happen, so hopefully if y'all had a bad day, hopefully you was able to turn that to a positive. You feel me? Hopefully everybody's just, you feel me, staying above water. You feel me? Just keep swimming, y'all. Just keep swimming. That's what I'm trying to learn, especially nowadays. I get older. It's just a lot of shit happen that you can't control. You feel me? And it's like, don't even trip about it. Why add the unnecessary stress? You feel me? All you gonna do is just be mad. Yeah, it's not gonna do nothing for you. Might as well you just keep swimming, bro. Just keep swimming. Let's keep swimming. We had came back. It's probably like what, 6 something right now, or whatever the case may be. We had got home. Sky Laceland. We had got home probably like around, I don't even know what time we got home, but all I know is when we got home, per usual, we took a nap and shit. Now woke up. It's time to cook. We gotta do laundry. All this extra shit. I'm about to go take a shower, wash my hair and all that. My hair looking crazy. Shit dry. All that. Speaking of hair, I need a haircut too. But yeah, I'm gonna look for it. One in the head. Eh? So we was making chicken. I feel like we always make chicken, but hey, we make a vlog like once a month. Meaning probably make chicken like what? Once a month? Nah, realistically, bro, we just had some. I was just about to say, yo, nah, no cap. We always have chicken wings. Chicken wings are just fire, you feel me? It's just like, bro, how can you not have some chicken wings? So we're making some chicken wings today, and that's me right there, you feel me? I do the chicken, feel me? Cause why not, bro? I be finessing that shit. You wanna see, yo? I ain't even gonna show y'all the recipe. I ain't gonna show y'all the recipe, but be finessing the chicken, you feel me? So I'm about to get back on that. I gotta wash some dishes so I can clear up the sink a little bit. So yeah, straight get to the chore. Dishes out of the sink, guys. Ooh, got some food in the drain. I need to throw that out, but trying to make some chicken wings, so I'm on the chicken wing duty. I ain't gonna show y'all my full recipe because you gotta save it. You gotta save it till one day people's like, yo, how bro make chicken. Then I make a whole recipe video, but till then, y'all just seeing the setup. So, you feel me? I'm about to throw some chicken in there. Hold on, give me a second. I'm gonna put the chicken in there. And then I make my chicken in the air fryer. I can give y'all some shit. Feel me? Got the air fryer right here. Make it in the air fryer. Shit real nice, shit real quick. It don't give you that fried, oily cook. You feel me? It gives you that nice little just crisp. And but with the only moist you tasting is the moist from the chicken. You feel me? And that's how it's supposed to be. You feel me? So that's how we gonna get straight into it. Also we putting bacon on top of is the bacon going in potato? Oh, the bacon is going in the macaroni.
Potatoes in the mac in it. Oh.
Yeah, so we're gonna put in the bacon inside the macaroni. So I'm making the bacon and the chicken. You feel me? So I'll soon take out the griddle. The griddle, I can make mad bacon at once. Soon take out the griddle and then get crazy. Y'all stay tuned. So the bacon that we using this bacon. And usually I don't do the pork tings. Me and Leeks don't do the pork tings, but for the fact of you putting this in the potatoes and macaroni, we just like fuck. Let's do some pork bacon. You feel me? I didn't even know this brand, True Say.
Me either. I saw it and that shit cost a bag, but I was like, fuck.
Cause the bag look like good bacon shit.
Good,
You feel
right?
me? Niggas usually do the Oscar Myers or whatever the case may be. It look like good bacon, so we gonna get into it with that. I clean the fuck out of chicken. Me personally, I take mad long to clean chicken because I be in there like inspecting the chicken like, oh, let me make sure it ain't got no yellow shit on it. Let me make sure it ain't got this on it. Let me make sure it ain't got no feathers. Oh, yo. The biggest turn off from food, bro, you give me a chicken wing with hair on it, I might throw that chicken wing right at your fucking face. I be slurring, I be talking too quick and shit. I know y'all be hearing me stutter and slur real quick, you feel me? I just gotta slow down, my fault. Clean my chicken, you feel me? Well, not quite finished cleaning it. I gotta add some vinegar. You feel me? I heard a lot of people don't use, not even I heard a lot of people. There is some people out here in this world. Yup, you could guess who. But there's some people that don't clean their chicken. Think that it's unnecessary to throw vinegar in that bitch, you feel me? Like, nah, bro. You need to clean your chicken, bro. I don't care, bro. We throw mad vinegar over in these sides, you feel me? If I had some lime juice, I would have threw some lime juice in there. I probably do have lime. It's probably not gonna do that, you feel me? Why not? Just keep a couple. Let that bitch mix in there and clean, cause I don't know who said you don't got a clean chicken, but bro, we do that over here. Fuck wrong with y'all? I know y'all be having stomach aches talking about we don't clean no goddamn chicken.
Word, enjoy your feathers.
Yeah, throat out here burning because y'all freaking chicken got diseases and shit when y'all eating it like that. And I'm about to put the bacon on now because remember I gotta make the bacon same time and yeah. Seasonings out because I'm about to, you feel me, season the chicken, but I don't want to show y'all too much. I told y'all the recipe soon comes, so y'all gonna get, hold on, y'all gonna get one of these. Y'all see all of those. That's it. Y'all see it. Let me get y'all again. Y'all see those. Hey, man. So I'm about to start getting shifty. We about to season it. After I season it, I'm going to let it sit in the fridge for a little bit while I put the bacon on, you feel me? So let that seasoning, it get in there. It's going to rub in there. It's going to sit on there, you feel me? I'm letting this build up. I'm letting that build up, you feel me? So that's what we about to do right now. Season up a little bit. It look kind of weird seasoned up like this, but you feel me? It's seasoned up and shit. So now, all we got to do is just wait. Put it in for a little bit. I'm just letting it sit for like 5 minutes while I clean out the air fryer real quick and then put that shit aside and then we're gonna make that shit. Alright, time for the bacon. Yes, sir. Griddle is out. Now it's time to put some bacon on that motherfucker. Alright, so it's time to make this bacon on. I already know that this bacon is gonna be super oily or whatever the case may be because I feel like I see the oil like seeping throughout the seams of this shit already. But let's see, man. Packaging's sick, nigga. Open up. Ooh, somebody calling me. My dad. Hello?
Yo.
Yeah, Dad.
Yo, what's up?
Trying to put the chicken inside the air fryer and shit, so yes sir. Coming along pretty good too. I'm gonna flip those. You feel me? Just letting it get a little sizzle on the other side. Flip those and we're almost done. They just gotta make the macaroni. I feel like that part is kinda easy. She got that. You feel me? The chef got that. And mashed potatoes, she already made the mashed potatoes. She already made the spinach too. So Leisha actually finished way before me. She get this shit done quick because she used to this shit. You feel me? Me, I take my time. I'm a little bit slower. You feel me? But hey, at least I'm helping. So, guys, all the food's done. You feel me? Y'all see this little bacon on top of the mashed potatoes. What a bacon. Oh, the macaroni and bacon is inside that. We didn't make too much macaroni, but that's in there. You feel me? And my chicken came out nice and a little crispy, just like how I like my chicken wings. Actually, this one right here, this is probably the crispiest I made it in a grip.
Yeah, them shits look good. Don't.
Them shits look crispy, but I like how they come out. I like how they came out, you feel me? I'm about to fuck these up right now. Real gooch and shit. I'm about to eat my food, y'all. There's a lot of talk. I'm tired, you feel me? So it's like, I don't even feel like talking to y'all niggas. I don't even feel like explaining shit to y'all. I just want to eat. I'm ready to eat. So I'm about to eat, y'all. Matter of fact, let me close out the vlog right here. Ending the vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed. All that good shit, you feel me? Reactions is soon coming right. Reactions are coming back, so stay tuned for the reactions. Oh, they out here packing out food. Stay tuned for the reactions, you feel me? Stay tuned to all that shit, challenges, all that bullshit. Y'all already know. I told y'all I ain't trying to tell y'all a whole rundown because I just want to do it, you feel me? So actions is leading first, so just stay tuned, y'all. Keep the notification bell on. Like, comment, share, all that good shit.
Gang.